viewers, welcome to iNovation channel. நம்மளோட சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தனா லைக், கமெண்ட், ஷேர் and subscribe பண்ணுங்க. கீழ இருக்கிற பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கனா எங்களோட வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு இமிடியேட்டா கிடைக்கும். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளார போலாம். Hi students, today we are going to learn lesson 4, that is unit 4, science in everyday life part 2. Okay, shall we see the lesson? Dear children, in previous part we learned about science and everyday life. The scientists from Tamil Nadu. So we learned about Sir C.V. Raman and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And changes around us. We learned about reversible change and irreversible change. Now in this part we are going to learn waste generated in our environment. So how the waste is generated in the environment. So நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிற environmentல waste எப்படி generate ஆகுது அப்படின்ட்டு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. It is worthless, defective and of no use. They are unwanted and undesirable material. So wastage na enna, நம்ம ஒன்று யூஸ் பண்ணி primary யூஸ்னா first time நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. So once we use it and we will discard it. அதாவது தூக்கி எரிஞ்சிடுறது. Okay, we never use it. So this kind of it becomes worthless. ஒரு திங் வந்து இருந்தும் அது யூஸ் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது, ஆர் ஏதாவது டிஃபெக்டிவ்னா ஏதாவது டேமேஜ் ஆகிருக்கிறது, அண்ட் ஆஃப் நோ யூஸ். இது எல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்மளுக்கு தேவையில்லைன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், டிஸ்கார்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, we will be disremoval it. Okay, that is we will call it as an unwanted or undesirable material. Now see here, waste they are dividing into two, that is waste from school and household wastes. So உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது என்ன, waste from school, உங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் இருக்கிற waste and household, வீட்டில் இருக்கிற waste பற்றி தான் நம்ம இப்போ லேர்ன் பண்ண போகிறோம். See, first let us see household wastes. Waste from home is known as household waste. So நம்ம வீட்டில் இருந்து அந்த wastage இருக்கிறதுக்கு household wastes சொல்கிறோம். Solid waste disposed from home and apartment comprise of garbage and rubbish, that is bottles, can, clothings, compost, disposable items, food packings, newspapers, magazines and trimmings. We can classify the household waste as below. So how can we classify? Let us see. Organic waste, kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits, இதெல்லாமே organic waste, or we will say as biodegradable waste. Okay, so அதெல்லாம் அழியக்கூடியது. Okay, நம்ம மண்ணில் போட்டு புதைச்சோன்னா அது என்ன ஆகும், it will be disposed. Okay, that is organic waste. So நம்ம பிளான்ஸுக்கெல்லாம் போடலாம். So kitchen items, that is when we are cleaning, when we are washing the vessels, அதுலேருந்து வரதெல்லாம் food waste எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து organic wasteல தான் வரும். Vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits, etc. Toxic waste, old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticides, containers, batteries, shoe polish, etc. So these are the toxic waste. Toxic means what? It is an harmful. Okay, toxic na harmful. Okay, these are the toxic waste which is not good. Now see here, some of the waste picture is given here. Next is recyclable waste. Paper, glass, metals, plastic. So these are recyclable. So அது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, recycle பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, again it will be used for some other purpose. அதுதான் recyclable. Next is solid waste. Cloth solid with blood and other body fluids. E-waste, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulb. So these are comes under e-waste. Okay. 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year worldwide. So all over the world 40 million tons வந்து every year electronic waste is generating. E-waste is comprises of 70% of our overall toxic waste. So overall toxic waste ல 70% என்ன இருக்கு, E-waste. E-waste contains hundreds of substances of which many are toxic. So we are using the more usage nowadays, we are using the electronic and e-waste only. Okay, so it contains more toxic. Now see here, activities given. Collect the waste from your house before it is thrown into dustbin. Separate them into two groups. So you want to separate your house waste. Okay, Garbage from the kitchen like fruit, vegetable peel, egg, shells, waste food, tea leaves, newspaper, dry leaves and paper bags. Next, piece of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, nails, old shoes and broken toys. Find out how you can dispose them properly. So you want to find a way to dispose it properly. Now see here, waste from school. You leave many waste material inside your classrooms and throw away many things in the school campus. So you can see many waste. So நீங்க என்ன உங்க classroomsல இருந்து நிறைய waste நீங்க போடுறீங்க இல்லையா? If they are not collected and disposed properly, your environment will be polluted. So அதை கரெக்டாக கலெக்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம dispose பண்ணாமல் இருந்தால் என்ன ஆகும்? Your school environment will get polluted. Okay. Papers, pen and its parts, blades, chocolates, covers and plastic items are found in school environment. So school environmentல இந்த things எல்லாம் தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இதெல்லாம் தான் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. The single most common material generated in school is food waste. Food is not only wasted but it also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean. So in the other waste illama you are having food waste also in your school. Okay, so food waste correct ah neenga vandu dispose pannada unga classroom and your surroundings will be clean. Ada correct ah proper dispose pannalena what will happen? Your surrounding will become unclean. In a survey conducted, it is found that food waste accounts for 23.9% of the total waste generated in the school, and recycled paper like cardboard, white paper and mixed paper accounted for 23.5% of the total waste. So by taken a survey or survey எடுத்ததுல they came to understand that 23% வந்து என்ன இருக்கு? Food waste இருக்கு. So after having your food during your lunch break, you see how many of the students are spilling the rice down. கீழே எவ்வளோ ரைஸ் போடுறீங்க, அதுலேருந்து எவ்வளோ வேஸ்ட் வருதுன்னு நீங்கள் பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் கண்டெய்ன்ஸ் 23. ஸோ we should not waste the food. Even a single drop of rice also you should not waste it. It is very important. Okay. To keep our surrounding clean, we need to have a proper waste disposal system. So even if you are spilling it down, so you have to dispose it in a proper way. அதை எடுத்து கரெக்டாக டஸ்ட்பினில் நீங்கள் வந்து போடணும். ஓகே, ஸோ to keep our surrounding, உங்களை சுற்றி இருக்கிற சரௌண்டிங்கை க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு what you should know, you want to know the ways to disposal the unwanted waste. எப்படி dispose பண்ணணும் உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். Okay, now see here, each one in our state capital, that is in Chennai, contributes 700 gram of waste every day. It is the higher in our country. So 700 gram of waste வந்து daily நம்ம countryல, I mean in Chennai they are wasting it. Okay, it is the highest in our country. நம்ம whole இந்தியாலேயே highest எங்கே இருக்கு? சென்னையில் தான் இருக்கு. Need for proper disposal of waste. With so much of waste lying everywhere, what do you think that we should do? We urgently need a proper waste management system. Waste management is needed to follow for the following reason. To control. So why we should have a waste disposal? நம்மளுக்கு அது எதுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்? Why the waste management is needed? Let us see. To control pollution. So waste எப்படி dispose பண்ணுறது தெரிஞ்சாதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? நம்ம சரௌண்டிங் வந்து பொல்யூட் ஆகிறதுலேருந்து நம்ம வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியும். வேரியஸ் பொல்யூஷன்ஸ் லைக் வாட்டர் பொல்யூஷன், ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் சாயில் பொல்யூஷன் கேன் பி அவாய்டட். டு கன்சர்வ் நேச்சுரல் ரிசோர்சஸ். The waste disposal is an important for the conservation of our environmental resources like forest, minerals and water. So நம்ம waste கரெக்டாக dispose பண்ணாதான் we can conserve நம்மளோட natural resource வந்து கரெக்டாக நம்ம வந்து பாதுகாக்க முடியும். Okay. To control spread of diseases. Spread of infectious diseases can be controlled. Recycle for further use. Waste can be recycled to get products for further use. So நம்ம further நம்ம வந்து recycle பண்ணுறதுக்கும் நம்ம வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் waste. Ways to reduce waste. The best place to start difference in our home we need to learn how to reduce, reuse and recycle waste. ஸோ இந்த மூணுமே நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்தால் தான் நம்ம வந்து வேஸ்ட்டை வந்து ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். how to reduce, how to reuse, அந்த waste எப்படி reuse again use பண்ண முடியும், and recycle also. The following practice will be helpful to reduce waste in our home and school environment. So let us see. Use reusable and recycle bags and containers. So recycle bags and reusable bags வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ நம்ம கடைக்கு எப்பவும் போகும்போது we should carry a bag. Okay, we should not get a carry bag from the ஷாப்லேருந்து கேரி பேக் வாங்காமல் வீட்டிலேருந்து போகும்போதே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், பேக்கை வந்து எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணும். அவாய்ட் ஒன் டைம் யூஸ் ஐட்டம்ஸ் அண்ட் யூஸ் ஐட்டம்ஸ் விச் கேன் பி யூஸ்டு பெர்மனெண்ட்லி. ஸோ நம்ம எந்த ஒரு திங் எடுத்தாலும் ஒன் டைம் ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் யூஸ் அண்ட் த்ரோ மாதிரி இல்லாமல், ஒன் டைம் யூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இல்லாமல் ரெகுலராக யூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஃபார் செக்ரிகேட் waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable items. ஸோ நம்ம வேஸ்ட் எப்போவுமே 2 ஐட்டம்ஸை டிவைட் பண்ணி செப்பரேட் பண்ணி தான் வைக்கணும். and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. So we have to dispose it properly. Do not throw away your waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. ஸோ அங்கே நம்ம வேஸ்ட் போடாமல் கரெக்டாக நம்ம எங்கே போடணும், we have to throw it in the dustbin. Do not waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. So you don't waste food in schools. Schools-ல food waste ஆகாமல் சாப்பிடுங்க. even in such case உங்களுக்கு waste ஆனாலும் feed it to the cattles. Organic waste can be converted into manure. So organic waste எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து உரமாக மாற்றிடலாம். you can throw it to the plants போடுறதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். okay. Dear children, now let us see the book evaluation. First one is choose the correct answer. See, blue appearance of the sky is due to scattering of light. Second one, who is known as a missile man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. An example for reversible changes, melting of ice. Fourth one, chemical reactions are example for irreversible change. Which of the following is not an organic waste? Battery. Now see here, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. First one, the book Wings of Fire was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. A stretched rubber band comes back to normal shape. It is an example for reversible change. Most of the physical changes are reversible change. Newspaper is a recyclable waste. Waste from house and apartments are called household waste. Match the following. Bud to flower. Irreversible change. Reversible change. Melting of ice. India 2020. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Paper. Recyclable waste. Vegetables. Organic waste. Circle the odd one. Melting, freezing, boiling, cooking. Cooking is the odd one because these remaining 3 are reversible change. Boiling, burning, cooking, rusting of iron. These 3 are irreversible change. Boiling is the odd one out. Vegetables, flowers, fruits, chemicals. Chemicals. These are organic, okay, waste. Paper, glass, metal, paints. Paint. These 3 are recyclable waste. Now answer in brief. First one, sky appears blue in color. Why? The answer is given here, ma. The white light we see is composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, that is Vibgea. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appears blue most of the time. So this point you can write for that answer. Second question, what is reversible change? Changes which can be reversed are called reversible change. So if it is asked for a 2 mark, you can answer till here. If not, you can write as for example, when water is kept in the freezer, it can be transformed into ice, and if it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. So you can form a sentence and write like that. Differentiate reversible and irreversible change. Third one. So children, you can write this differentiate between. See, reversible and irreversible change. This whole box you can write it. Okay, 3 points are given here. What are the different types of waste? Dear children, you have to write this answer by your own. Waste are of different types. Waste from school and household waste. Okay, you can write like that. Or if they are asking about what is waste in Keta, you can write this point also. Idu eludittu in the point eludhanum. Okay. Fifth one, write a note on e-waste. E-waste, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFC, bulb, these are comes under e-waste. And they are asking about write a note on it. So, in the point e-waste comprises of 70% of our overall toxic waste at this point also even. E-waste containing hundreds of substances of which many are toxic. Sixth one, name the scientists from Tamil Nadu. See children, here the names of the scientists are given here. And even you can by heart this also. Department contribution neenga therinju vechukonga. So if they are asking for 5 marks in the whole dialogue box fullave neenga eludiralam. If not, you can write only the names of the scientists. 5 scientists name is given. Now Roman letter 6, answer in detail. Write about different household waste. Dear children, you have to write here household waste heading. You have to write this para and even these 5 types of waste we can find in the household. In the 5 points, because it is a detailed question. Okay. Explain the need of waste disposal. See children, you have to write this fully. Okay. So the needed one, the waste management. It is enough to write from here. Waste management is needed for the following reason. Ingirundhu neenga start panni, you can write this whole. Okay, up to here. Third one, how can you reduce waste in your school environment? Not throw away your waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Do not waste food. Waste food in school can be collected and used to feed cattle. Children, by this the lesson overs. Science in Everyday lesson is completed by 2 parts of the videos. So you go through the part 1 and even part 2 videos to understand the lesson properly. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for the further videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.